Video, I want to show you something. I don't know if you can see it, but I want you to see how the government conducts experiments using the birds of the air, how they conduct these active denial systems that they're using on us now. I just saw the birds. I know you've seen it too, how they fly in synchronicity. That's not by accident, and that's not something that they normally do either. Okay, they're doing that because they're being controlled. That's how the government tests. They test their weapons to see if they're effective. And they tested, they already sprayed the chemtrails in the air. And that's how they manipulate our frequencies too. They spray the chemtrails, which is metals and crystals, and then they shoot frequencies at it, and that's how they can manipulate us through the clouds. You know, it's just like putting some sand or some salt on top of a speaker and turning on the sound, and the salt crystals or the sand will start to move around or arrange itself into different shapes and patterns. That's the same thing that's being done to us. Okay? Now, I told you how to protect yourself, how to try to shield yourself in your aura. But look, I want you to look at how those birds are flying in synchronicity. I don't know if you can see it because the lighting that I have is not too. But they just did it. They just did it. But you know what I'm talking about, how these birds fly. That's the government experimenting. That's the government experimenting with their weapons. Heterodyning and the sky, over the sky and ground radar and the active denial systems, because it has went public that they are experimenting on people. The Department of Defense has put out a statement that they are conducting experiments on people against their will. So they are open with it. They're letting us know that they're using us as guinea pigs. They're messing with our minds and our health. So I just wanted you to be aware when you see birds flying around, or if you see animals acting strange, they could be having experiments conducted on them too. Okay? And I wanted to let you guys know too, if you want to make magnets, because magnets in reverse can help to break up some of the programming. Because I'm making a lot of magnets, and I'm reversing the magnets, you know, to make like little repellers. So that may be able to help you throw off some of these signals, you know. It's not permanent because they can still latch on and track you, because they're hitting me hard with frequencies. They really are, you know. And it's very hard out here. So, you know, I'm praying for you guys. I know it's rough out there for you. You know, and I hope everybody is doing good and in good spirits. And I ask you guys to pray for me heavily, because I'm under some severe scrutiny from these demonic agents out here. And I'm a warrior. I'm a warrior. That's why they're coming after me like that, because I'm a prayer warrior. My faith is strong. So I need you to keep me in your prayers, okay? But I just wanted to drop that tip on you, because a lot of these birds out here, they are drone birds. They're not even real birds. You know? Have you ever noticed that you ain't never seen a baby pigeon? Like, I've never seen a baby pigeon. I've never seen, always see adult pigeons, but I've never seen a baby pigeon in my life. As long as I've been living on this earth, 38 years, I ain't never seen a baby pigeon. So, I just wanted to know if you see a baby pigeon. If anybody has ever seen a baby pigeon, or you see one, take a picture of it or a video and post it to YouTube, because I have yet to see one. But this is how they conduct their experiments, because the chemtrails are in everything. The birds, the leaves, the roots in the earth, everything, you know. And when you see birds flying around like that, back to back, like they're moving they're moving in synchronicity. That's how you know it's conducted by government experimentation. Because I see it a lot in the Bronx. And that's how they know that their programs are up and running. So just be aware when you see stuff like that. Just keep in mind what I said. That, yeah, that's the government doing that. You know, and that's how they know that their programming is effective on us too, when they use these birds to conduct their experiments. Okay, family, God bless you. Have a happy, if you celebrate the holidays, if that's your thing, happy holidays to you. Like I said, I don't celebrate any holidays in this country. I celebrate life. I celebrate me. But anyway, have a beautiful weekend, and God bless you all, and you're all in my prayers, and keep me in your prayers too. Take care.